Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and today we have a completely different video. We're actually in Ocean City, New Jersey. My uncle has a beautiful house on the beach, and so today we're currently fishing. We're going to be going on the beach for a little bit, at least the girls are on. And then from there, really, realistically, I think we're gonna do the boardwalk and the rides. I know, it's kind of weird, but here's cousin Aaron. Say hi. You're in a Wildwood video.
Am I in a Wildwood
video? You're in a Wildwood video.
Oh,
so anyway,
we're in Ocean City.
I know, it's weird. I know, I'm not used to it. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them we can make fun videos like this. If you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get fishing. We are at the edge of the Ocean City fishing pier, 500 feet here. I'm assuming this is at least 750, and we're catching everything we can out here. I'm expecting a lot of blues. I don't know if we're gonna get any flounder, but we'll videotape the fish as they come out. Here we go, get it in, pull it over, Yeah! Look at him, put him down.
Get up there.
Look at him, Another blue. There he is. Look at him. Chris, you got him, man, Chris. We got a shark and a blue. It's a spot. Look at that little spot.
They bit it.
What you got? Pull it up. Oh no, it's gone. Well, man, so a really fantastic day fishing up here. I know it's really windy, so I apologize in advance, but let's get the drone in the sky and give you guys a bird's eye view of what we're doing. So half of the crew went back to the house. We got the airplanes just above us right now. How pretty these skies are. But we're gonna pack it up and probably head back to the house.
You always worry that it's not going to be a great fishing day.
But it was a great fishing day.
Yes.
Just looking down the beach. It is packed here. Everyone else is at the yellow and green umbrellas. That's where they're at. Throwing the ball around right now. But here's the leftover crew. I lost count, but I know we caught a bunch of blues, a spot, a shark, a flounder, and 2 crabs randomly. So it counts. So our crew are these umbrellas right here. And then if we pan over slowly, because I don't want to get too dizzy. We're, someone's calling my name right here. Where are we at? Someone's calling my name. Hi. Oh, there. Okay, I see them. There we are. Hi. We have a lot of food going on right now. Here in Ocean City, you got mango and mango. We got meatballs, gravy, pasta. Look at that.
But it has to stay with me.
Everyone's enjoying some food.
I can't find my phone. I got that. I can't find my phone.
I don't know if it's because of the view, but mango and mango is actually pretty good on the boardwalk. Not as good as Wildwood's pizza, but it's pretty good. Have you guys ever had it before? Let me know. Look at that slice. Is it good? And that's the fishing pier where we were at earlier today. And the girls were hanging out right here on the beach. This is looking north towards Ocean City's, like, that's the music hall, I believe it's called. And then the sun is setting over here. I'm gonna put the drone in the sky for you guys at sunset so that you can see it. It's very different than a Wildwood sunset. Kind of different, a little windy though, so we won't go too far with it. But yeah, about 20 minutes, we'll put the drone in the sky. In Contino fashion, we're gonna be singing outside, probably Christmas songs, even though it's pretty much the end of the summer. We'll sing for a little bit and then put the drone up, but I think we're losing the sunset. A lot of clouds out there, at least that way.
Baby,
our bundle of joy. He's got the cutest little eye. He's got the cutest little nose. He's got the cutest little ear. And a big fire hose.
It's
Working.
goofy. Now we're singing "Oh McDonald." I like a bunch of adults singing it for no kids. The sun is setting, so let's quickly get the drone in the sky. And we've got the family with us, so take some family photos and check out these colors. My phone can't capture how beautiful this is. So let's get the drone or the Sea-Gull in the sky. So there you guys go. That was our day in Ocean City. I shared with you a little bit of my family. We're fun, we're goofy, we're loud, we're singing for everyone who was walking by. But let me know. You guys ever go to Ocean City before? Had a great time here. A lot of folks are gonna head up to the boardwalk and get some ice cream and all that. But let me know in the comment section, what's your favorite thing in Ocean City? Now, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joe, as always. I'll see you on the beach, probably not here in Ocean City, because I normally come here like once a year. So I'll see you on the beach in Wildwood. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.